screw them in weird places. But you can see they're built-in LEDs. Guys, this is our new camper project, and we are really excited about it. It's a 2004 Winds 31Z, so it's fairly long. You see this hole here? This looks like they ran into something here and it bent that in, so I sealed that up since it was raining over the last couple days. But we have started working on the interior. We're ripping all of this out. We have the dinette already removed, and we're just going to completely remodel this. It's going to be awesome. We're really excited. The kids are already hanging out back here. Carpet in the bathroom, love that. But everything worked so far. A couple little things to fix. Afton's tearing stuff out. We're going to try to do flooring today. Try to rip out all of this old linoleum. You can see it's already like tearing up. Okay, so we got most of the carpet pulled up under here. It looks like they patched something here. And then the last thing that we're doing is pulling up all of this 1/4-inch ply because you got screws in there. Oh, you got them? Because when we put our new flooring in, it won't sit flat if we don't pull this up. Luckily, this is only where the kitchen is. So it stops right here, goes to there. So not a lot of stuff, but yeah, next we're going to move into the bedroom. I'm thinking this is kind of wasted space, so I don't know what we're going to do there. It might be used to run electrical up front, so we'll see. So anyways, making good progress. Okay, so we do have some water damage back here, and now this is the kitchen, but got all the floors pulled out like we showed you previously. And I think that water damage is because this, it looks like the previous owner took, that's the outdoor shower, and I think what they did was they disconnected it, and the dummies didn't realize that when you have the valve on, it's running through that water also. So I'm gonna have to pull this out and look underneath, make sure it's all good, because our heater intake valve or intake is here. Just want to make sure that's all good. Got all the new lights installed. These are pretty sweet. They're direct replacements. So here's the old one. You can get these on Amazon. They're really cheap. I think I bought a 5-pack for 50 bucks. But you can see they're built-in LEDs. I thought that they'd screw in the same location as the old ones, but they're about 1/8 of an inch off. So if you guys are looking to replace, these things are awesome. I got the power off. So let's get this torn out and take a peek at the kitchen. Once you get it. And then there's a lot of screws behind these panels that's holding it all together. So you can't really get to it until you take these stupid panels off. We are ripping out this cabinet because you'll hit your head on it every time. So also you'll probably notice we have all of the curtains and blinds out of here because we're gonna have to reseal all of these windows. Afton's working on staples, just getting things done. And let me show you guys how they put on these walls, just so you know if y'all are looking. These are just held in by little tiny staples. That's it. That's the only thing holding these panels on, which is why a lot of them come loose over time. But we're going to replace this with some better stuff. And probably fix some of this framing in here once we get it all torn apart. We do have a little bit of water damage up here. You can kind of see with this piece of trim removed. Got this coming up a little bit, and then when we removed the couch, we also have all this bubbling right here. So that's a little bit of a bummer, but the good news is that we can get a lot of this stuff off because we're going to be shiplapping this, which will secure everything up, but first we got to get that all removed to make sure that it's not going to blow out while we're driving down the highway or anything like that. So also want to show you the bathroom. Vanity mirror thing out, working on the vanity itself. We're going to keep the toilet, and we're going to refinish the shower because look how yellow that is. I already got the light out and all of the sealant off of half of it. We got all the trim off. So the reason this is removed is because I need to replace this wall so that, or some of this framing, so that we could put a TV in the middle of this wall while we sleep, which will be pretty sweet. So just a little bit of progress. Afton's working on all of the cabinet doors here. We're gonna get those off and hopefully get those put back on and painted in the next week or so. But the build's going real strong and we're really excited. Luckily everything works. Oh, I will say we were working in the camper yesterday and we smelt this burning, and it smelled like hot glue, like a hot glue gun was going, and we didn't realize that there was a light here that had been left on, and the cushion for this bed, this pull-out bed, so this pulls out. The cushion for the pull-out bed was leaning up against this, and that cushion was in a black plastic bag. And so it was leaning on that old incandescent light bulb, and it just got too hot and started melting it. I ended up, when we started smelling that, turned off all of the electrical because I didn't want something to happen. And Afton came into the camper, saw it this morning. So that's actually a relief. I'd rather replace that mattress. Well, I wish I didn't have to replace anything, but I would rather have to replace that mattress than have to replace, a bunch of electrical stuff. So. Okay, so this is where we're at, guys. This is where we're at. Front of the cab, still looking really good. We decided to rip out all of the TV and storage up here. We're gonna double bunk this. Put the couch here. Here's our new flooring. Really awesome, really excited about this SmartCore stuff. There's the heater, hot water heater, new toilet, keeping the oven and stove. We did remove the fridge and it was disgusting. It was so much work. I forgot to set up the camera. All of the bugs, it was everywhere. And the back of the refrigerator was just totally rusted out and bad. I don't think that it actually worked when we tested it because it was 40 degrees out. So this is where we're at. Got a couple more things to do. And got this bathroom wall pulled out. About to start primering all the floors and make some progress here. Really, really exciting.